Hey drivers, welcome back to DMV Test Buddy, the place where we break down real-life road situations and sharpen your driving skills. Today, we've got a pretty interesting intersection scenario for you. Listen carefully, take a good look at the situation, and try to figure out the correct answer before we explain it. All right, let's get into it. What is the correct order for the vehicles to proceed through this intersection? A. Blue, red, yellow. B. Blue, yellow, red. C. Yellow, red, blue. D. Red, yellow, blue. Drop your answer in the comments. Let's break it down. We have an uncontrolled intersection where three vehicles arrive at the same time. The yellow car and the blue car are both making a left turn. The red car is going straight. There are no traffic lights, but there are priority signs. This intersection features a main road that curves to the left, a secondary road joining from the right. Who must yield? The blue car is on the secondary road, so it must yield to all vehicles on the main road. That means the blue car goes last. Who goes first on the main road? Now we look at the yellow and red cars, both on the main road. Because the main road changes direction, drivers must follow the rules for equal priority intersections. Specifically, yield to the vehicle on your right. In this case, the yellow car is to the right of the red car. So, the red car must yield to the yellow car. Final answer: yellow, red, blue. Correct choice, C. Nice job if you got it right.